Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Bandlab apps. So if you want to download and install the apps, you can just download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Here you can just find the Bandlab, and this is an music making studio apps. So you can use these apps to make music, or here you can see this is about the app. Bandlab is a music creation app used to create and share music. So after you download it and install it on your phone, you can create an account. You can sign up using your email address or Google or Facebook. So here, for example, I'm going to just use my Google account. Click on Google button, and here you can just sign in. Here you can set up your profile first. You can set a custom username. So I'm going to just write it here. Just click on next, and here you need to tell us more about you, as here is the Bandlab. Here you can, for example, I'm going to just write #1 fan. Click on next. Here you can pick your favorite genre. I'm going to just, you can choose more than one. I'm going to go with this one. Okay, after that you can click on next, and here you need to choose, or you can also choose who inspired you. You can select your favorite artist in here. You can search for the artist, for example, and here you can also add more than one. After that you can click on next again, and here you've already on the Bandlab app. So in here you can explore the app. Once you log in, you can look around on the app. You'll find home. This is the home page. This is where you will see your feed, trending tracks, and also recommendation. And there's also a create. If you click on the plus, this is the create page where you can create new tracks or remix existing ones. And you can also go to the library to find your music in here, and there will also this discover or explore. This is where you can find new music and artists to follow. And there also community, or here this is the beats. And if you want to create a track, you can just click on the plus icon, and then here you can choose the templates, or you can also create it from scratch. For example, here I'm going to, okay, you can see if you want to use the templates, you need to pay for it. There are price on the beats. Let's just click on here. There's also this tool, so I cannot show you because I need to pay for it. So you can just use, for example, I'm going to use the free one here. Click on the free one, click on here and click on complete order, click on open studio. Okay, so this is where you can create a music or track. Here you can use the Bandlab's built-in tools to edit and mix your track. You can add instrument, vocals, and effects to your track. You can see that you can also add lyrics and note in here. Here you can click on the plus icon to add voice, guitar, bass, looper, virtual instrument, sampler, or others. You can also import file from your phone, and you can also collaborate with others. And if you already finished with the creation, you can click on this to save your project. Click on save, or you can also click on publish to share your music with the world. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.